Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that confuses a lot of English learners. And honestly, even some native speakers mess this up. We're talking about be, been, and being.
Yeah, and trust me, if you mix these up, your sentence can sound kinda off. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step.
Here's the hook. If you can master just these 3 words, your English will instantly sound more natural. No joke.
Facts. So let's start simple. Be is the base form. It's like the original version of the verb.
Right. You'll usually see be after modal verbs like can, should, will.
For example, I want to be better at English.
Or you should be more confident.
Easy, right? Just remember, be is raw, untouched. No past, no extra meaning.
Okay, now, if you ever feel stuck, just ask yourself, is this the base form? If yes, then be is your answer.
Now let's level up. Been. This one is a past participle. Sounds fancy, but it's not that scary.
Yeah, don't let the grammar terms scare you. Just remember, been always needs a helper verb.
Like have, has, or had.
Example, I has been busy.
Or she has been studying all day.
Notice something. It connects the past to the present.
Exactly. It's like saying something started before and is still kind of relevant now.
Think of been as a bridge between past and present.
All right, here's another hook. If you hear have, has, or had, there's a high chance been is coming next.
Now let's talk about the tricky one, being.
Yeah, this is where people start overthinking.
But don't. Being is used for actions happening right now or ongoing situations,
For example, you are being rude.
which is different from you are rude.
Big difference. The first one means it's temporary. The second one, that's your personality. Another example, he is being careful.
So being shows something in progress or temporary behavior. Okay, if the action feels temporary or happening right now, being is your best bet.
All right, let's compare all three so it really sticks.
Okay, I want to be calm.
That's your goal.
I have been calm.
That means you were calm before and it still matters now.
I am being calm.
That means right now, in this moment, you're acting calm.
See how the meaning changes? Same idea, different time and feeling.
All right, don't memorize blindly. Feel the timeline. Future or general is be, past connection is been, and present action is being.
Let's do some quick real-life examples.
Stop being lazy.
That's something you hear a lot.
Yeah, and it means right now you're acting lazy.
How about, I have been working out?
That's good. Means you started before and still going.
And I want to be stronger.
That's your goal again.
Okay, real talk. This might feel confusing at first.
Yeah, but that's normal. Even advanced learners slip up sometimes.
The key is practice. Don't just read, use it in your daily life.
Talk to yourself if you have to, seriously.
Yeah, like I am being productive today.
Or I have been improving.
Or I want to be fluent.
Now, for this part, fluency isn't about knowing everything. It's about using what you know consistently.
Exactly. And mastering small things like be, been, and being makes a huge difference.
So don't rush it. Take your time, repeat, and make it part of your everyday speech.
And remember, every mistake is part of the process. Thank you for listening, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this English learning session.
And don't forget, keep practicing and stay consistent.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
See you in the next one.